Open the project group. The current stage project file is opened and highlighted in yellow, whereas the design stage project file is highlighted in red. Activate or deactivate the comparison feature in the current situation. Arrange side by side to the view drawing model, the same drawing model as the design stage. Unlock the drawing for modifications. In the design stage, activate or deactivate the comparison feature. Arrange side by side to the view drawing model, the same drawing model as the current situation. Choose a different current situation drawing model view for comparison. Dynamically compare the current situation and the design stage projects.